Hi guys, this is Dmitry with Texas Shoe Supply. Today I would like to show you how to really easy and fast switch the classic AK with a standard gas system to our new product, which is completely fully adjustable and a gas adjustable gas block, which actually clamp on and it's really easy to install. As you see, this is a classic AK, and we prepare for today's show. We prepared a really nice classic build, and then I will show you in steps what you need to do, how to turn this classic to something like this in a tactical way with adjustable gas block for the suppressor ready to. If you take a lovely AK, which is really beautiful, and also you make sure it's always clear, you will take your AK and start to take it apart as usual, for maintenance or the repairs. You get to the bare bone. This looks like this right here. After that, what you need to do, you're gonna remove the cross pins on a gas block and cross pins on a front side, and after that you pull them off. Right now I'm going to show you the one which we actually in the build reassembly AK. You see it's except we're just going to remove the flash cutter. You will have the clear barrel and it's ready for installation on the rear tower side. Right here is going to be placed and pinned later. But also I'm going to show you when you take our combo gas block with a front side and you're going to pre-install, drill the hole right here. This block is compatible with all AKMs on the 74 and 100 series. The only ones that doesn't work is going to be the exception of the Chinese manufactured AKs and the Yugoslavian one. Later on we will start manufacture the Chinese compatible gas blocks combos, also the Yugos. For right now we just show you the standard AKM barrel, which is most popular, probably about 80% in the market at least. And what you do, you're going to remove the two screws right here, pressed on to the place where the distance is kept for the installation of the original gas tube, or you can use aftermarket gas tubes also. It's really easy. What you do, you're going to take two screws and just going to put a blue lock tie. Make sure when you start shooting the screws won't get loose. You're going to torque them until it stops, and the torque applied in about 7 pounds of torque. After that, we suggest is going to be the small mark on the right hand side on a gas block where you can start to pre-drill the 3mm pin, cross pin. And after the channel is drilled, you just take the original 3mm pin from your old disassembled AK and just press it in. What it does, it will prevent in the future the gas block to get loose and swing over the barrel either to the front or to the rear. After the installation is done, a lot of guys are gonna prefer to finish the AK. You can use any type of finish, the standard mil-spec Parkerizing. Then you can use a Duracoat, you can use a Cerakote. I'm going to show you the example of the custom firearm we built. The same similar gas block was manufactured for the Vapor 308, which will require the bigger opening because the barrels are way thicker on the Vapors. And this is one of the custom guns we built in the shop, which is already comes with a OSS suppressor for the 308. And you can see the small beauty right here, which just has a 22 inches long barrel, fully suppressed and ready to go for the hunt. We're going to show you the close-up. Right here on the gas block, like on the AKM, we have exactly the same controls. You have a 2 set screw, which is one goes inside, and if you need to, you can complete close the hole, and you can shoot the subsonic really quiet. And also the small set screw, which just prevents the bigger screw when you're shooting on the stress to walk away from you. Physically, really easy. 2 set screws, one holds another one, and you can adjust your gun to have a minimum recoil without destroying your internals if you just shoot a regular ammo also. After the gun was assembled with a pre-installed combination of adjustable gas block and front sight, you will have 2 small screws, which is one is going to be in the front and other is on the side. This one is a set screw to secure the first screw in the front, and you're going to lose when you need to adjust the gas block. Just lose attention on the smaller screw, and you can close the hole completely if you shoot the subsonic ammo, or if you need to adjust the full size loaded ammo, the supersonic. If you don't have subs, you can shoot the supersonic, and what you do, you will need to adjust the big front screw to make sure you do not destroy the internals of the AK.